try this again. There is one of the babies out of the nest. I don't want to get too close to him. I don't want to scare him away and make him go where he doesn't want to go. I'll look for the other here in a second. Alright, Fric and Frac have flown the coop. Kind of hard to see him, well, because that's not him. I'm such a dork. Where'd he go? I'm trying not to scare him. I really am. He's up there though. Is that him? I think that's him. Yep, Fric and Frac have flown the coop. One is darker, this one is a male, and the first one I showed you is a female. That is so awesome. So, this will probably be the last time we see him, guys. Woohoo! There's a nice close-up of her. Isn't she beautiful? Just checking the world out without a box or a nest. I'm going to try and get brother. There he is. Oh my goodness, they're just beautiful. Boy, they're big. Alright, Fric and Frac. It's been fun. Go eat lots of worms. And let's see, their nest is, oh, I don't know, they're away from it. It's up there somewhere though.